So this is how you can recover permanently deleted photos. It's actually quite simple. First, we're gonna want to go to albums. Now, this is to make sure that your photos are actually permanently deleted before we do anything more serious. So, go down until you find recently deleted and then open it with your Face ID or your password. And as you can see, if you recently deleted a photo, it's going to appear here. But if you actually did permanently delete it and you want to find it back and you want to recover it, well, you can go on ahead and open up your Safari and then search for vivahelper.com. So here we are. Viva Helper is basically another kind of app store where it downloads different kinds of mods or other third party apps that can help you with your problems. What we're going to want to search for is Photos Recovery. So simply tap on that and then tap on Download Now. It's going to download immediately into your iPhone, and then you can go into Settings and then look for your deleted photos there. As you can see, it says in the description, recover all deleted photos or videos on iOS even if they're permanently deleted. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.